Using robocopy and excluding multiple directories. I'm trying to copy some directories from a server before I restore from backup. My latest backup was corrupt, so I have to use an older one from. I'm in the Windows recovery environment and have access to the server's file system, // and my backup media, // But, since I'm more familiar with Linux, I'm having a bit of trouble with the command line in Windows, specifically robocopy. I want to copy multiple directories, maintaining the same directory structure, from // to // while excluding others, namely, the Windows and Program Files folders. I can't figure out the syntax for the /xd option. I was hoping to do something like. No, I want to clarify that I want to copy the actual files while maintaining the directory structure too. I just checked, and /create only creates empty files. Weird.
I figured it out with a little trial and error and the /l, to test the command before doing it for real. The command I end up with is apparently, including trailing slashes keeps robocopy from parsing the list of directories correctly, so be sure not to include trailing slashes on directory names and remember to put quotes around directories with spaces in the name. The /mir option maintains the same directory structure while copying the files. Edit. After some more research, I improved the command a bit. The additions are as follows. /z allows the job to be restarted. /log column and lt, log file path and gt, is pretty self-explanatory. /xf is being used to exclude certain file types so it doesn't take so long.
You have to repeat the /s part.
I know this doesn't answer Op's question, but to anyone here from Google, XD will fail in a job file if you use quotes. Bad. Good. Place as many exclusions as you want, line after line, without using quotes, whether there are spaces or not. The way I discovered this was by using the command line switch /save my job name, which took the quotes off my quoted directories.
My solution for this was to create text files that contain the files or directories I want to include or exclude. I have these files in a subfolder excludes under my backup folder. My method for naming the files is as follows. I preface them with RC for robocopy, then some recognizable notation for the application or part of the file system in the robocopy command, then append B or R for backup or restore, then I or X for include or exclude, then D or F for directory or file. I surround each entry with double quotes and a space between entries. An include file can have files or directories, but directories must have a trailing /. In an exclude file for directories you do not use a trailing /. Any directory entries are relative to the source path in the robocopy command. The entire contents of any of these text files must be on one line and not have a character return line feed. In my batch file, I use a set/p command to import the text file into a variable. I then use these variables for files or after /xf or /xd. For instance, to back up the current user's Chrome profile without copying the entire default folder, I use the following. In the bat file in, say, c:\backup,